Sup, Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and as you can see, Prodigee was kind enough to send me out 2 cases for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the formula, so pretty much we have it with a gray case with orange accents and a black case with red accents. So first, let's do the gray one with the orange accents. And this is cool because usually when I'm picking up a case or see a case or a company sends me a case, I like to match my screen protectors on my device with the case. So yeah, these are nice. So on the back here, it's a hard TPU, hard plastic, soft TPU around the edges. You get that frost back, and I like the way this looks. Look at what the buttons look like on the device, on the case. In the inside, you do get little orange ridges. I'm sure that is for drop protection. So pretty much, let's place in my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I do love the way this looks and feels on my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I might end up rocking this case after this video, but we shall see. So pretty much, this is your power button. Nice and clicky. And I like that it's an actual button and it's tough. It's hard. It feels good, but it's not hard to push. It's easy to push. Down here, you do get access to your camera control button, which is nice and easy to use, no problem. Down here, it does say Prodigee. You do get feet. I call this feet for edge drop protection. So if you drop your phone on the edge of the corner, it will be good to go. Down here, you do get your USB-C charging port and speakers. Another orange accent foot. That is nice that the alert slider is actually on an orange button. Then you get your volume up and down button. Nice and clicky and tactile. Another foot for edge drop protection. And then you get nothing at the top here. If you turn it over to the back, you get that nice frosted back. So you shouldn't have to worry about this getting nasty with fingerprint. Get your MagSafe ring because this has MagSafe capable charging. Coming to the back here, you do get a nice deep cutout for your camera. So it has TPU around it and also like this metal around it. I don't know if that's metal or aluminum, but this does look nice overall. So if you place your phone flat down on the table on the camera, you should be good to go. You also get a nice lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be good to go. But I just recommend you throw on a screen protector if you're worried about your screen getting scratched, because I always throw on a screen protector with whatever device I have. So pretty much this was the gray and orange formula case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So now we're going to go over into the black one with the red accents. You can't go wrong with the black case with red accents, you know. I can find some nice dope wallpapers to go along with that also. So pretty much I'm just going to throw this on the phone because this looks and feels the exact same as your gray one. It's just a different color, and you get black buttons on this one. You get all your cutouts that you are able to need. It says Prodigee down here. Everything is lining up the way it's supposed to. You get the red accent button for your alert slider, black buttons for your volume up and down. You get that nice cutout on the back for your camera. So if you are interested in picking up these cases, I will make sure that I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick these up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.